everybody, it is Trendsend Day. So Trendsend is another styling service. It is a $20 styling fee. You fill out an online profile and they send you 2 to 3 outfits. Sometimes 2, sometimes 3, sometimes there'll be maybe like a skirt and several things that go with it that make several different outfits. It just kind of varies. When you first start up your styling profile, you can choose that you want to have your clothes sent to you from a specific store, which, you know, if you like the style from a certain region of the country, that, you know, that might be helpful. For me, I just didn't really know, so I just randomly chose a store because the clothes from Trendsend come from the Ever Eve stores. I think that this is the most trendy box that I receive, hence the name. It's also the most expensive, second only to Trunk Club. And I think the clothes are very high quality. The things I've kept, I've really enjoyed. They sort of push me out of my comfort zone a little bit, and I like that. That being said, you can set this up to come monthly, quarterly, you know, just on a whim. I would like to receive a Trendsend and go in and order it. I had set mine up for every 3 months, and it started coming every month. And so I had to contact customer service and say, I don't know what happened, but I really only want this quarterly. So they said, oh, I'm so sorry. They refunded my styling fee, and I didn't get it for a couple more months. And in fact, I really didn't want this one because we've had some unexpected home expenses and I don't really need any clothes. But I forgot to go in and cancel it. So I've paid the $20 styling fee and my box shipped. So we'll see what they sent me. We'll have the fun of that and see if I can finagle some way to keep something. Okay, so let's see what came this time. It's kind of messy, but usually they will wrap the clothes as they are intending for you to wear them. So like this would be an outfit or potentially 2 outfits, I'm not sure. You know, they tend to wrap them in bundles. You get an envelope with information, and there will be a letter from your stylist that's really detailed. This is a different stylist than I had before. I think this is Sandy. And so they kind of go through each outfit and how they think you should wear it, what the individual items are in the different outfits, and just some different information about each one. And like a lot of these services, there is a referral link, which my referral link will be down below. And if you would like to try Trendsend, I would love it if you would use my referral link. It will give me 20% off on a future Trendsend. And same thing, once you order your own Trendsend, you will have a referral link that you can send to your friends and say, hey, I love this service, give it a try, and then you can get a 20% discount. So, and then also in your box, you'll have a postage paid return envelope with U.S. Postal Service, which I love because it's super convenient to send it back. So let's see what they sent me here. I'll read from the list because it doesn't have the prices on it. Sandy says to me, hi Elizabeth, I'm so excited to be styling you today. Your spring box is full of versatile looks that will mix and match together to create multiple outfits to wear from work to evening and into the weekend. Check out the Trendsend official and Ever Eve official accounts on Instagram and follow along for some more styling tips and tricks to make the most of your spring wardrobe. I can't wait to read your feedback and see what you love. So outfit 1 is a cami, an ankle skinny, a tuck tank, and an open cardigan. So it looks like a pair of jeans, 2 tops that would go with the jeans, and a cardigan. She says this Dreamers cardigan is pretty amazing. Let's look at it. I have a Dreamers sweater that I kept from, I don't remember, Mix and Match box maybe, and it was super soft. Look at this. It's this really pretty light blush color, super duper soft. She says, so soft and pretty in the shade of pink. This is one of our it colors this year. I love this for spring and summer paired with some faded denim. Also looks great with the olive joggers. Okay, so that's a hint as to what else is in there. I have a more conservative pairing with the white Allison Joy Rider tank. Okay, so this is just a basic white tank by Allison Joy with a V-neck. Looks nice. And then a beautiful leopard cami that may be easing you out of your comfort zone. What did I say? but looks so, so great with this sweater. I also really love it paired with the denim jacket and the olive pants. So I'm guessing that's the second outfit. You can really mix and match all these pieces. So this is, she's calling it, pardon me, leopard, a leopard print, but it's in these really pretty muted tones. And I don't usually wear these colors. I tend to gravitate towards darker colors. And she didn't even talk about the jeans, but the jeans are a cut from the cloth, high-rise Donna, ankle skinny. I don't think I have, maybe I do have this exact pair, as a matter of fact, in potentially a darker wash, and I love them. So we'll give those a try. So I'll try on all those outfits the way she suggested, and I actually brought a pair of white sandals up, just kind of thinking that maybe that would go with what she was going to send me. So let's pause and I'll try this on. Hey everybody, so let's talk about these clothes. So I have tried everything on, and I have made my first impressions, and I'm gonna look back at the footage while I'm talking to you, and we'll kind of talk about it. Okay, so let's see. The first thing I tried on was the let's see, first I tried on the jeans and the tuck tank, and this tank is awesome. It looks just like a plain white tank, but it has that little tuck in the front, and it has a nice drape to it. It feels really nice. It is a $48 tank, but it seems to be worth it. I would love this to be on sale. I love how it looks with the jeans and my white sandals. I'll link those sandals below. I got them from Nordstrom Rack. They're not available there. I can probably find them someplace else. The jeans have a really nice high rise that is comfortable. Sometimes the rise gets a little too high and it's not comfy. These jeans fit me like a glove, and I love the lighter wash. They're not like a real faded acid wash, but they are still lighter than my typical dark wash. So I really like them. I like the length. And now I've got on the Dreamers cardigan, which is super duper soft. It has pockets. I really like the way it fits me. It's oversized. It's a small medium. So since I'm typically a small, that's going to give it more of an oversized look. But it's that real pretty blush color. Again, I don't wear this color very often, but I like it. It's very neutral, and I know a lot of people wear that even into the fall or in the winter with some winter white. That would be pretty. Okay, so then I put on the leopard tank, and you can see it's kind of gaping there in the front. It fits great in the back with my shorter haircut. You can actually see the back of my clothing now, so some back detail is nice. It has that slit at the hem. I just love the way it drapes and flows. It's a really good fit. It's not adjustable, and it's too low cut in the front. I love the fit of it overall. It looks great with these jeans. And the sweater does go nicely with it, like Sandy said. I love so much about this cami, but it's too low cut in the front. I'm going to try some different things and see if I can make it work, because I do think it's really pretty. Though I think it is more casual. Some of you could get away with this in a professional setting, but I don't know that I could. Okay, moving on to the next outfit. Here I have on that striped tank, which has a ribbed texture. I hope you can see that. And it has that cross in the back. So you really need to wear a strapless bra with this. And the level 99 linen joggers. The joggers, after I tried them on a few different times, because I really wanted to love them, I think they're too big, which I'm not typically an extra small, but I think I could get away with an extra small in these. I feel like they really were going to loosen up like linen typically does. These are definitely a linen blend, and I think they were just a little too baggy. The denim jacket looks great with it. I don't really love the black with the olive. I'm not sure why that's not my favorite, but I'll try these things on in some different combinations. You can see there's some distressing on the one pocket flap. It's not on the other. There's a little bit of stretch in the jacket. It's not super stretchy. It's definitely a thinner denim. It's a light wash, and it's a light weave as well. The sleeves are full length. You can roll them up. They have the little silver buttons. There are no pockets, like slash pockets for you to put your hands in. which, you know, not super necessary, but some people like that. It has the little buttons around the waist. You can tighten those up if you'd like. I thought maybe with those pants, like if I pulled them up, you know, some people wear joggers where they pull the band a little further up on their leg, but the band on these is so thick and thick. That didn't quite look right, but I thought I would give it a try. I was trying to make them work because they were really comfy. So I pulled them back down. I like this outfit. It's just, I'm not sure about these pieces. Okay, so now what I have done is I've put on a sticky bra, which is this guy, the new bra, to see if it kind of would minimize the chest a little bit and make it not gape so much in the front, because I really like this cami. And I also wanted to try it on with the olive joggers, like Sandy said. And it does look great with the olive. I really like that a lot. But even with the different undergarments, it was too low in the front. I wouldn't be comfortable. And it looks cute with that cardigan. If you were going for sort of the capsule wardrobe, this would have been a good start to it. All of these pieces she sent me worked really well together, and I think she hit it out of the ballpark. Just my personal comfort level, I wouldn't wear something that low cut in the front, but I think it's really pretty. So now I still have on that sticky bra, which didn't really need it with this top, but I wanted to try the white top with the cargo pants. Again, I was trying to get those pants to work because they're so on trend right now, but yet they're not super trendy. It's something I think I could wear for a few years, and they were really comfy, but I think they were really comfy because they were too big. But they looked great with the white and the denim jacket. I mean, this is totally my style. I would wear that 5 out of 7 days of the week. Okay, so my wallet and my husband will be very thankful that I didn't really care very much for this last outfit. If I had all the money in the world, actually, then I would buy this because I really like it, and I don't have a light wash denim jacket, and I think I could wear it a lot, but I just can't afford the $89 for it, and so it's gonna have to go back, but it's fine. I like it. I like it. She did a good job. Like, if they send out these emails, and so I get these emails pretty much every day, you know, all these different outfits, and I always love the outfits in the emails, and I never get those clothes. And I feel like what Sandy sent me today were all things that I would have picked out. I really like, maybe not the leopard cami, but I really like it. I think she did an awesome job. So that's it. They don't total everything up because you don't get a discount if you buy 5 items or anything. You just pay the prices that are listed. The only way to get a discount is, well, some things are on sale. So you can check the website and see if perhaps something has gone on sale since they sent your Trendsend to you, and then they'll honor that price. Or if you have someone has used your referral link, you can, these prices would all be listed with 20% off. So that would have been lovely, but I didn't have that this time. I had it before, so thank you very much for using my referral link in the past. So I've got to figure out what I'm going to keep. I think I loved the jeans and that cardigan. I really like the cardigan. Did I tell you that cardigan was $78? Super soft open cardigan in pink, size small, medium thigh, Dreamers. So those are the things I'm thinking about today. This is my latest Trendsend. It's a great service. I really love it. I highly recommend it. They're tops on my list now, Trendsend and then Trunk Club. I've just had a total bummer of a Stitch Fix. I had a bummer of a Mix and Match box, Natalie Attired. So several of these that, you know, I see other people get such cute things. Mine have just not been very successful. So it was really fun to get a box of things that I really like and enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this one today. If you're interested in giving Trendsend a try, look for my link down below. And I hope you really like it. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you next time.